Alright guys, this is going to be the last video just showing you quickly how you can get right back into Messenger from wherever you are. So say you get a notification on your phone, you want to jump on the laptop quick and get to that conversation. Remember, I showed you this earlier, but just to reiterate, it's this little G icon up here in your browser. Pop that open. There's all your labels at a glance. Click through there, and it's the send message button. So if you want to get to an individual contact, click that send message button, and that's going to populate Facebook Messenger right to that contact. So easy as that. There's all our notes. There's all our canned responses. We're right inside Messenger, ready to go. Jump right into the conversation. We can have our notes here to remind us what this conversation is going to entail, who this person is, previous conversations we've had, and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it for the basics of Genius Messenger CRM. Hopefully you guys utilize this tool. It's an amazing program. We just launched September 1st, 2020. So I don't know what time you're viewing this course, but we have plenty of upgrades on the roadmap, and we'll be introducing new features about every 2 weeks. So depending on when you sign up, you might have an already upgraded version with improved features. And if you have any other questions or concerns, I'll make an additional video for support, troubleshooting, and kind of the roadmap of where Genius Messenger CRM is going. If you've taken the Friend Connector upgrade, I'm going to post those videos below as well. So hopefully we'll see you in the next training, and hopefully you get some awesome use out of this tool. We built it for you. So that being said, see you in the next video.